Okay friends, so today I came with you how to make a 3D text like this using Photoshop. So let's get started. First open your Photoshop and make a new document and set it as 1920 and the height as 1080, resolution 300, this orientation this one, RGB color mode 8-bit, white background. Then after all this, then hit create. Now click on this text tool and click on this button to change your color that you like, and then let's type the word as Sri Lanka. And now click on this move tool and move the text. Now go to layers and you can see this, the type that I have typed here, Sri Lanka, and then right click on it and you can see here 3D new 3D exclusion from selected layer. If this doesn't show you, that means your graphics card should be minimum to Photoshop and this should be selected as RGB color mode. Then click on new 3D exclusion from selected layer and the 3D workplace will become. Now go to layers and you can see this background and right click on it and click on this postcard, and now hold shift and click on this background and your text, and then release the shift and click on Ctrl E to merge it. Okay, so now go to 3D and you can see this Sri Lanka, that's the one that I have typed. And now go to properties, you can see this shape prisms, you can choose any shape here. Now I will use this bevel frame, and now it's time to add the light source. Now go to 3D and you can click on this bulb button and click on this new infinite light. And you can see you can drag this shadow, and if your shadow like this not showing, you need to uninstall your Photoshop and install this, because this happened to me also. So if this doesn't show this shadow, you need to uninstall your Photoshop and install it again. So after you make this your shadow, then you can see under properties this color, in intensity, shadow. By this you can the shadow softness from this, and after all click this button and a thing like this will come. The render process can be found below. Click the ESC button to so it's not showing the time. After some time it will show how much you need to wait, so you need to wait until this process is finished. Okay, so after the random is finished, you can see a thing like this. Now you need to click on this button and click on this photography, and then you can just change anything. Then of course now you can add anything from here to your 3D text. So thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe me, like if you have a question or a problem regarding this video, comment in the comment section below. Thank you.